To make garlic, herb, and panko crusted lamb chops, we start with a rack of lamb. Slice it into individual chops, sprinkle it with salt and pepper. Rub each chop with a little egg yolk. Smear some garlic on each chop and sprinkle with fresh chopped mint. Dredge in panko to coat. Heat olive oil in a non-stick skillet and sear the chops for about 1 minute on each side. Transfer to a cooking sheet. Bake in a 400-degree oven for 5 minutes. Let's make a sauce for the chops. Squeeze 2 limes into a bowl. Add fish sauce, also known as Nam Pla, a little soy sauce, thinly shaved garlic, sliced green onion, lots of chopped fresh mint, and a pinch of sugar to pull the flavors together. When the chops are done, arrange on a serving platter. Serve with sauce on the side. This lamb is gorgeous, medium rare, and tastes amazing with this sauce. You gotta try this. I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru. If you like this recipe and want to print a copy, come to foodguru.com where you can experience the world's first video cookbook. My video cookbook makes learning to cook quick, easy, and fun. Most cookbooks use only written instructions. Try to write instructions for how to roll an egg roll sometime and you'll get the idea. My video cookbook combines 3 powerful ways to learn: pictures, written recipes, and videos. I'll walk you step by step through each recipe in only 90 seconds. The video cookbook is different from other cookbooks because it will continue to grow. Each week, we'll add new recipes, tips, and tricks. Your free membership allows you access to this week's 7 featured recipes, which are usually seasonal and current. Select the recipe, print the instructions, and watch the quick 90-second video. These recipes will change weekly, and you'll have access to this free recipe section as often as you like.